What's going on YouTube? Murdic is back here bringing you guys a new video today. We are out in one of the most beautiful roads, in my opinion, in my area. I believe it's just the Great Falls single lane road. This goes to one of the biggest highways in America, 495. Takes you to I-95 as well. But I just went to the Aston Martin grand opening. It was very pleasant. Check out that video. I'll have that posted on my YouTube channel. And then I also visited the Ferrari meet and greet as well in the morning. Beautiful cars. But right now I'm going to head back to my house. Hope everyone's doing well. Love you all. Wow, that was an E63. That's gonna be Marcus's new wheels around town, should I say. But anyways, guys, I love this road. A lot of accidents, unfortunately, with drunk driving. I mean, you can see it with the like right here, this guardrail is so beat up from people just going too fast, hitting it. But this road is like a racetrack, and driving it in my 3 Series is so just nice to drive in. I mean, the all-wheel drive system in this car is very, very good. Unfortunately, I'm having issues. I'm having lights from my 4x4, and I have a no traction light on. I don't know what that's for, but I've been playing a lot of Assetto Corsa, and I've been having no traction, so I've been like really good at like knowing the limits, and I know how good my tires are as well. So I basically just know the limits of like how far I can push before my car will like break loose. You never know, essentially, because it is like almost like a random probability, but because like you can't like predict if you're ever gonna like wheels gonna catch out in the back. But I'm playing a lot of Assetto Corsa, a lot of drifting. I have the manual stick as well. I do want a manual car. My friend Savi Otto actually has an Audi A4 that's manual. Hopefully he'll let Mert test drive it on the channel. He knows Murdicus does the POV videos of the drives. But like I said, it was a very fun event. Check that video out. Comment down below what you guys want to see next in my next video, guys. I want to really, make this content and get this stuff going. Make sure you like this video and subscribe as well. I love you guys. And this road has been such a terrific drive so far. The weather's a little hot, especially in my jeans, but I can't complain. Rather have it like this hot than like 100 degrees, or like, because I saw in Arizona it was like 100, or Las Vegas, very hot. Can't even go outside, it's so hot. I feel like if it's over 100. And for some reason, I get tired when I'm in the sun for like a long time. Like, I'm saying like 5 hours or so. I consider 5 hours in the sun a long time. But if I'm in the sun for like 5 hours, like I actually get very tired. And I don't know why. And I'm definitely more of like a night person. I might do some night drives. I actually have a really nice setup at night. My car is very well equipped with the night gear. I have, I believe I have the xenon bulbs up front with the angel eyes that are LED. And I also have fog lights, so should have good vision. And we'll get some video of that as well. But yeah, guys, this road is very enjoyable. I had such a great time driving. Love the 3 Series. Gotta get control arms for it. Kinda wanna do a GoFundMe to like make this car like top tier for the YouTube videos, but I gotta read the rules. But anyway, someone started a GoFundMe for Murdicus's 3 Series. And yeah. Make sure you go check out my Shopify. I have my merch as well. I would flip the camera, but I'm driving. But yeah, guys, shout out Taz, shout out Savi Auto, shout out all the viewers, shout out all the OGs. Thank you to all the day ones. Shout out to Alex Rourke, if you're watching. Love you, man. Thank you for copping the shirt as well. Shout out all the people that copped the shirt, supporting the team, getting the dream, feeling supreme. Hey, my crime's a rhyme. But yeah, we're just rolling down the hills like Adele's song and enjoying the weather, guys. I mean, I wish you were in my passenger seat. It's so nice. But yeah, guys, beautiful road. Car's feeling really good as well. Probably the best I've ever had it since I've bought it. Because it was riding pretty rough in terms of it needs spark plugs, coils, a lot of oil fluids, brake fluid, trans fluid, and brake pads. Probably gotta do the rotors, tires as well, rims. I had a bent rim driving this car, but it's at 160,000 miles, and it feels really good. And I honestly love it. This will have a piece of my heart forever. This car, I love this car so much. And her name is Lucy. That's her name. I'd show the outside of it. I've cleaned it, detailed it, put a lot of love into it now, and it's shown a lot of love back. And I love you, Lucy. Talking to the car. Yeah, it sounds funny, but I feel like the car is like a entity or like some type of like being, you know, almost like a person. Not a kind of like a person. Doesn't really. It does talk back, but it's in the form of like these icons. It's not verbal. And it is verbal with the engine noise for sure. Sounds very good. I love the inline-6 engine BMW did. N50 series is just amazing. It's gonna go down in history. It's probably one of the best engines. It's in a lot of cars. But we're getting on the highway. I love the manual handbrake as well. It's a nice feature. Not a lot of cars have that. But yeah, guys, subscribe. Love you guys. Catch you guys soon. Peace.